Hello folks, new video of me today, my hands, but not me, because I want you to focus over here. Some of you will recognize this as that slick new mounting bracket for some of the Yaesu mobile radios. Specifically, this mounting bracket came with my FTM 300D here, and as you can see, I'm working on some stuff here. So I'm going to walk you through this while I kind of show you how I'm putting this together. This is a desk mounting bracket, or an under desk mounting bracket for the anything that uses this bracket. This is a 6mm, 16mm long socket head screw. I've got these holes here countersunk out in this to get that basically completely flush there with the see that, and I think that'll even pull down a little bit more than that. I might need to tighten that down just to show you a little trick here. Just grab a wrench here and just snug that down. It'll pull that head right on down in there. Those holes are sunk deep enough to, there it is, for that to sit all the way down in. Now to just get it nice and flat in there, that way when you set that up underneath your desk like that and clamp it on, it won't interfere. You have to pardon some of the explosions in the other room. There's a Disney movie going down in there. The wife and daughter are watching something in there while I'm working on this stuff. Anyway, there's both of those bolts in there, and just take this, drop that right on there. It fits right in. Take some nuts there. Of course, you need four, two for each side there of those screws. Throw that on there. Take that adjustable wrench. Make sure you use your metric adjustable wrench on this. Don't want around those nuts. Take that wrench, just snug them down there a little bit. They'll hold in the bracket. Just get them snug. Then, oh yeah, got my other bolt here. I got those sized right for this project. I know that the focus is kind of going in and out on this a little bit, but I appreciate y'all bearing with me. Anyway, just run those down in there. Just set this over here. I want it right here on this edge of this desk. I'm just going to hang it right there like that. I'm just going to run these down on here. There you go, right on there like that, and then you can just take that radio, and because that bracket is so slick, just slide it right in there. You heard it click in, and there it is. It's up off the desk, out of the way, and ready to go. So folks, Drew here, KL4TWQ. You want one of these? Definitely let me know. We'll work something out. I am looking at pricing these because of the print time on them at $40 for the set of them. That's going to be both the brackets and the plastic screws there to mount it. You're on your own for the 16mm by 6mm bolts there and the nuts to go with it, but those ought to be available at pretty much any hardware store. $40. Those are a little bit over engineered print wise, but the money is based on the print time, and there's not a whole lot going on for these radios as far as stuff out there, but that's there, that works. And I don't know about y'all, but I kind of like to get that stuff up out of the way so I don't have too much stuff laying around on my desk. You can see I've got enough stuff laying on my desk anyway. For the 10-meter rig here, there's just too much stuff on the desk. Radio doesn't need to be there. It's secure up there. Can't get anything spilled on it right there. Can't, all manner of things. Anyway, better than sitting on the desk. Folks, thank you for watching. Again, contact me if you're interested in one of those. And 73. Y'all have a good one.